guys, me and Jaden. We're still in the same clothes because we washed them.
Yeah.
So we got my pretty precious dog right here.
For her. And we're gonna be teaching her to stand.
Yeah, she's
doing really good.
Yeah, we already tried it a few times.
She got to 6 seconds without holding.
So guys, okay, Nora, come here. Okay,
You can find that she'll like hold on to your like torso.
guys, I'm just adding dog food because we don't want to spoil too much.
Those are the big treats. She likes those, but
Look, guys.
sorry, Laura.
So
These little pebbles, like, is that what?
okay, no, they're not even treats. So Jaden is gonna grab it and we're gonna record her.
See it? Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, Nora. Up.
Up.
Let her smell it.
Up. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There, that was good, little girl, right there.
6 whole seconds, guys.
It was like 6.5. I think it was
Yeah,
7.
she was
I
just
think
like-
it was at least 7.
It was like kind of 7, but
Kind of 7, kind of 6.
Let's just
I
give
think
her-
more 7 than 6. It's a good
oh, that
girl.
was so good. Oh my god.
We're teaching her how to stand. We're teaching her how to
This
stand.
is a treat, like a big
A giant treat, like bro.
Not that too big.
You are a good freaking dog.
Guys, I just got her one of her favorite treats. Smells weird, but okay, Jaden, you hold it now.
Okay.
Jaden's gonna hold this. Okay, Jaden. So 3, 2, 1. Wait. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 1. Okay, go. Okay, you deserve that. You guys see that?
Human fall flat.
Oh my god, guys, that was sad but hilarious at the same exact time.
Okay.
You're so good.
That was good. Like you can tell she's like learning. She's like meaning to do that now. She's looking for treats everywhere. She's like, give me my treats.
Guys,
You can only get a little bit, but only for training.
and she has her harness on because we're gonna take her for a walk later.
Yep, she ran today.
Yeah, we
Basically, today is all about getting Robux and training Nora.
we have to do chores to get Robux.
We already did the
That-
entire room.
Yeah, we like so hard. So right now I'm cooking ramen.
Basically, what they're doing is they're moving rooms. So Natalia's going into Noah's room, right?
Yeah.
And then
Noah
Noah
is
is going in Nathan's room.
The gaming
And then
room.
and then Nolan's going in your room.
Yeah, we're just
And then Nolan's gonna be their mom's office.
So I'm just letting my ramen cook. Come on, baby. So yeah.
We'll try it again, just try.
Shoot down. I dropped some treats. Okay, look, guys.
I'm gonna do it again just for practice.
Okay.
She's
She loves those. Like they're not even treats, guys. They're just like dog food. Okay, go, Jaden.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Up.
Up.
Here, sniff, and then up. See it? Do you want it? You want more? Two more.
Guys, microwave. This is microwave that we're cooking the ramen in. Just
That. Sweet. Okay.
mixing. Then for longer. Sorry about the noise.
What are you doing?
Guys, she doesn't like, it looks like she needs something stronger to smell.
Yeah, just rip it up like small. She likes that.
Okay, guys, so Jaden, rip it up. Okay.
That's small.
Yeah.
Not even much bigger than that. Okay, come on. Hey, stay. Chill.
3. Oh, wait. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that was a perfect stand though. I count that. But it was only 3 seconds.
1, 1, 2.
No holding.
3.
No holding, baby.
Oh, she's so good.
She's trying to hold. She's so smart
3,
by
2,
holding.
1, go.
Come on, babe.
1. Oh, darn.
Come
Good
on,
try.
You can do it. I think it's because she fell and she's like, oh, come on. Come on, you can get it. You want it.
She looked down like, ow. She just missed
That.
it. Okay, guys, so
She didn't learn that one, but
No.
she was learning. Did you see that? It was like she stood up fully like perfect.
And then like she like oof.
Yeah, but that was perfect.
You guys want to see her beautiful face?
That 3 seconds was
Okay.
literally. Hey,
Yeah.
look.
What's this? Look at the camera. What's this?
Hey, what's this? Yeah, you like that?
Oh, she likes you guys.
She's a YouTube dog.
Bet. And guys, her harness. Hey, Nora.
Or
Her
if
harness
we-
is like a heart harness. Oh, one. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's close.
What is that?
I didn't even
7
count.
seconds, bro. That would have been perfect. Okay, again.
1. Oh,
Okay.
darn.
Okay, again. Look. Oh, she's running out of breath. She wants it. Okay, come on.
Okay, let's go.
This is
Let me
big
set up
piece.
the camera and then.
Okay.
Okay, let's. I'm just gonna go get. Jaden, wait. Do not do it yet. I'm just setting up the camera so you guys can see. Shoot, guys, this is hard. Okay, so I'm gonna go get her some water.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, get her some water. She's been having like. Yeah, she wants that. She looked at that. You know what we should do? We should make a special fruit for Nora.
Okay, Nora. You want a drink? Oh yeah.
Yeah, she is thirsty. I would be too. And like trying to stand like as a dog. That is, she did perfect today though. Like
Okay, guys, we're cooking our ramen.
this is her first time actually learning how to try and stand. I don't come.
Yeah, guys, because we used to have another dog that like every time we try to give her a treat or something, the dog would like attack her. Like he was a hyper dog, so we had to sell him, which makes me really sad, but whatever. So cleaning up her mess.
Yeah, that's why she couldn't learn straight away. But she is a smart dog.
She really is. And
Like, look, she can't sit. Here, hold the tray in my hand, and I'll tell her to sit, and we'll see what happens.
wait, let me just set up the camera this time.
She just can't sit. Every time her mom would try to like practice or train her,
Okay, let's just.
the dog would just come and bite her.
Okay, come on, do it right here. Come on, Nora. Do this.
I got the treat.
Okay, wait, we have to like put her. Come on, look, what's that? Okay,
Okay.
sit. Look, we have to
She
sit.
doesn't want to.
She just like.
She can't. She's
Sit,
like, I want
sit.
the treat now.
She can't. Sit there. Good girl.
Good girl. That's
sit. That's sit.
That
oh,
is sit.
Oh, she doesn't understand.
I'm just practice with her.
Okay. Shoot. Darn, I need to clean up that mess. 1, 2, 3,
Aw.
4. 1, 2, 3.
Ow.
She just punched him. Did you see her? She's like, oh yeah, give me my treat.
Oh.
Right?
Okay. You know you want it. You know you want
me.
it. You know I want you. Tell me if you haven't heard that ad like a million times. Okay, sniff test.
That's gonna go right there. 1.
Come
I
on.
need to clean, guys.
You're doing so good.
Okay. So
Yeah,
beware for part 2, guys.
Yeah.
So see you guys later.
We'll keep
Bye.
training with her, but
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah.